Hello everyone, my name is Psycrow. This is Ozone Skyblock Reborn. I said it correct the first time. And episode 14. In this episode, we're gonna build up a smaller and immersive engineering setup for the workbench, and we're gonna start auto crafting. As you can see, the crafter right there behind my head. I want a jetpack, but before we get a jetpack, we need to get the engineering workbench, because if we look at the jetpack itself in the JI, there is a single component we need from immersive engineering. That is an electronic component, and we need to get some electrical wire, some treated wood, and also the engineer's workbench. So we're gonna focus on this chapter today. Maybe also open some up of the thermal things here. Let's just grab all the rewards, and also I have a lot of rewards I haven't grabbed yet. So let's just grab them all. There we go. Bit of fried rice, nuke wires, I don't want to do the silver coin, awakened draconium ingot nugget, okay, a tablet, no, yeah, I could put that in there, yes, and there are some more, right, yeah, there are, oh, we give reward for all these, let's just grab them all. Oh, I'm so bad at grabbing these reward. Enderman head. Seed processor, power glove. What else do we get? We're gonna get a flux infused leggings. We're gonna get a no soliciting altar. Okay, I think that's a way to get keep the watering trader away. Brewing stand, we can use that. That's pretty cool. A torch launcher. Okay, that was pretty cool. There's a pot over here. A chemical thrower, okay, that sounds dangerous. Oh, there's a lot here. A glider, yeah, it can be very convenient with together with a mod pack. A dragon heart, okay, so that's gonna make the conclusion a bit easier. A copper upgrade, not very interesting. There's a glowstone here. A wooden hopper, wow. And we have a glider. Oh, we got a glider. I get a pizza slide. And rope, we're gonna do this one as well. An iron nugget, yes, I was missing that. A mana reader, I don't know what that is. And also we have some few of them here. Baked beans, and we have a black candle, and the last one is a black tie. Okay, so but the dragon heart, that's pretty cool. Power glove increased damage well dealt by the wear. What about my didn't I have my hook? I have a hook here. Let's see what that does. What it does. Increase the experience. Okay, I want a power glove instead. So yeah, we're gonna throw all these things in here. The glider, I think I want to keep. So let's get the glider. We're gonna store it in our bag. We have a backpack, right? No, we don't. That's the other mod pack. So I'm gonna keep you there. So we need to go into immersive engineering. So there was the cabin section here. So we need all these things. Engineer's workbench, engineers book, manual. This one. Thank you very much. And we need wire cutters. So here's our wire cutters. They are right here. Thank you. And we need a screwdriver. I did not know we had that screwdriver. Oh, we need an engineer iron rod. That's very easy to make. There you go. Thank you. And the last part we need is a multimeter. Multimeter. Here we go. So we can actually measure the wire, how much current there are in the wires. I never used it before, but I know it's there. And let's grab the quest book. So we need the blast brick. I can see I have also bookmarked some of the things we need up here. So we need the blast brick. We have coke brick. There we go. We have them from the last time we used it. And also we need blast brick. This one we need 27 of these as well. I made 37. I'll need some tanks because I want to save the creosote oil to make 3D wood. So tank. We have one that was with sweet water in it. I want a new one. I'm just gonna make a couple. There. I need a drawer because I want to automate it. There, and I also need to have some pipes. Ice and pipes. There you go. Perfect. Let's go downstairs and actually build it. I want to build it right here. I think we have a good thermal system will be right here. So let's make the coke oven. It's very easy, just a 3x3x3. Then we whack it with the engineering hammer. Like, where's my hammer? I didn't bring my hammer. That's typical. That was the one thing I already had made beforehand, but I didn't bring it. I need this one. That was too far. One more. Yes. And we're just going to whack it. There we go. And now we can add some coal, which I also need. I think we have coal right here, right? Yeah, right there. I'm going to bring a lot. I don't know if I need so much, but I'm just going to bring enough. So I can add a drawer now on the side of the, I'm just going to do it there and plop everything in here. No, that was this one. And I can add the pipes because this whole side, as far as I know, I thought I could insert this with the pipes. Maybe I need ender IO conduits instead. Let me just check. Or if I need a hopper conduit, there, let's grab a hopper to be on the safe side. Thank you. I was quite sure I could pipe things in. I may be wrong, or the pipe doesn't recognize it. So let's see if the hopper works. If I add coal in here, you do not go in. Maybe I can only pipe things out. So if I do this, am I doing something wrong? Let me just, hang on. Did the key knight notice my mistake? I built the blast brick furnace and not the coke oven. And you can't really automate this one, I think, unless you upgrade to the reinforced version. So just plot this in here, and we're going to get some coal in here. I'm going to take the coal coke, which are being made over here and in here, and then we're going to get steel. But we have still essence from mystical agriculture. So yeah, but now it works. We have an oak drawer with coal in it, a pipe that it turns the coal into the coke oven, and a pipe that extracts the items and also extracts the fluids. And now we have one bucket of creosote oil. I'm going to need that for the next step in our playthrough because we need the workbench. So let's just grab these. I'm going to make some treated wood. So I'm just going to do this. So we surround a bucket of creosote oil with planks and we get treated wood planks. Yes. And now we can make the engineered workbench. So let's see if we actually have enough. So we need the planks. So we need to convert 3 of these into wooden planks so we can make the slabs. There we go. Then we need some treated sticks. There we go. And I think we can make the fence now. Oh, we need one more. Okay, we need some more. So let's go downstairs and just grab some creosote oil. And that is not enough. So we have to wait for this to be finished. I believe 2 buckets should be enough. So let's go back up, create some planks with the creosote. I could also use a tank, so I could just use that as a bucket to create more, even more faster. But yeah, that's okay. So let's create the workbench. Got the fence, and we need a crafting table. We can do that, and we need more treated wood sticks. And we can now make the engineering table, so we need a workstation. There we go. And looking at No, I have to type the quest. This is the button. Yeah, I'm looking at quest. I need to go in here so we can remove these. So the jetpack, we need this component here. Let's just bookmark it. So we need an engineer's blueprint. If I do this, this, and this, I have everything. So I need to make this one. I can just click here. I need a treated wood slab, nether quartz, redstone, and I need electron wire. So I need to make electron plate. And they're gonna take the wire cutters. We'll get some wire. So we have a wood slab there. We also need redstone. Grab one of you and quartz. There. And now we have the 4 components. Yes, we do. Let's go downstairs and plop the table down. I'm just gonna put it right here in front of everything. So we're gonna add you guys there, and we can make the electronic component. Perfect. Let's go upstairs. Add you and just clean up a bit. So now we can actually make the jetpack. We can make this one now. That was the important part. And then we can make the boosters. Oh, there's a lot of crafting here, I can see. We need a battery as well. We need 2 of these. And we're gonna need a furnace. A couple of these, we need more boosters. So there's 2 of the boosters. Oh, we need 1 more of these. Yeah, and we can now make the booster. Yeah, and we can make the wood battery. We need 4 of these, which means we're gonna need 3 more of these. Oh, we are missing something. So we are missing the copper alloy. Luckily, we have these in from Mexico agriculture, so that's gonna make things a little bit easier. So we're gonna make 3 of these. Oh no, we're gonna go through this process as well. There we go, and now we can make the battery, so we can actually make the jetpack. Perfect. Now we have a jetpack. It'll be albeit not a very good jetpack, but we can upgrade it, but we have to go through the whole process again. So that is why I want to make crafters. So if we look at this one, we need a construction core, and we also need a destruction core. And we can make a crafter. Oh, there it is. So the first thing I want to automate, because if we look at the different things we need, we also need a lot of simple machine frames for going to thermal and industrial for going as well. So the first craft I'm going to put down is actually the one down here next to this machine right here. Because if I do, can I do this? There, yes. We can now automate this machine. We're going to unlock this one. So if I go upstairs and create a pattern terminal, the grid. Yes, I just need to find the right one. Where is it? Where are you? I don't care about the colors. White, orange, magenta. There it is. Bookmark you. So we need a grid, which means we need a single construction core, and we need a construction and deconstruction core. That was the one we needed. We can make the grid, and we can now make the pattern terminal. I just need a pattern there. Oh, that was not the one I need. Oh, didn't I make a pattern? In you go. Okay, interesting. Okay, pattern doesn't work. So I'm gonna add you there. So now we can make a pattern. The first pattern we always need to make when making patterns is a pattern. But for now, I want to add this one. So I can do this, and we're gonna get a pattern. And apparently I don't have any more patterns. Did I use everything? Okay, pattern there. Where is it? Where did it go? There it is. So I'm just gonna make a bunch. You're gonna go in there. So we're gonna take this recipe here and go downstairs to this machine right here, plop you in here, and we're just gonna connect it to the cables over there. So let's get the cables. 25, I don't think 25 is enough, so let's make some more. There we go. And we're gonna kind of move the cable from here over here all the way over here. Oh, I knew I missed a gap. I'm fully aware. There. So if we go upstairs, this is gonna turn on, right? Yeah, it did. So if I sleep first and place a cable, drink some coffee. Yes. We can now make the simple machine frame. We do not have all the resources because we're missing a gold gear and also latex. Oh yeah, we need to add external storage for the latex. So let's do that. So we can, it always is filled up with latex. We can just remove the part that actually need latex. So we're gonna take you out, go back up. We're gonna change the recipe here. I'm just gonna empty this one. So shift right click, gonna annul it there. I'm gonna take the simple machine frame, put you in there, but we're gonna remove this one up there, and we can remove this one. So you see, I can set it to null. Set. I just want to remove it. Can I remove it? Yeah, there we go. I shift right clicked. Then we can add it to this pattern. So since the machine always have latex in it, we don't need a for recipe because it's always filled with latex. Yeah. And then of course we need a way to extract it and put it back to the system. But I'm not going to deal with that right now. Let's just make a gold gear. It's right there. And let's just test it out. So, simple machine frame. I'm going to craft one. We have all the recipes. I'm going to say start. I'm going to go downstairs and just verify that it actually creates it. It does. So we just need to extract it. So we're going to make a new item for refined storage called an importer. So everything that are inside a given chest, we're going to import it into the system. There we go. We have the cables. And I'm just going to plop you there. And just grab the cables down here. So the items are being sucked out. Yes, and we should now have two simple machine frames. We do. Perfect. So, yeah. I think this is going to be it for this episode. We made the engineer workbench. We made the first tier of our backpack, and we started auto crafting. In the next episode, we're going to make more auto crafters to build out our jetpack to a higher tier, so we don't have to do this manually. So, yeah. If you like this content, like and subscribe to see even more. If you have any comments to play for the map pack, just write in the comments below as well. And yeah, I will see you in the next episode. Yeah, bye bye.